gives you perspective of where they are,
-3 hours.
almost at the top of that crew access hour, but just a short walkway until they get into their spacecraft.
Butch is back, and they're going to say another quick prayer for a safe and successful flight, and that everybody gets a chance to do their very best today.
Butch is an ordained minister, and really it is nice. It's been nice to see them take these moments together and say some
And
words.
OSM LC.
OSM, go ahead, sir.
Roger. Okay, I see the CTV backing up now.
Chat.
Yes,
Go ahead,
it's good to it's good to see that the crew transport vehicle has cleared the area. That means we're expecting the crew not to have to come back today, and we'll send them up to space, and their next stop would be the International Space Station.
Again, it's important for teams to monitor exactly how many people are at the launch pad in that flight hazard area, because we are, fingers crossed, launching a rocket today.
Well, we'll find out in 2 hours, 58 minutes, and 47 seconds.
That's right. And here they go. Butch and Sunny walking across the crew access arm. Their way into the white room there.
LCSYS on 1.
Before they get into Starliner.
Go ahead.
Step 170, L1 balloon cycle task is complete.
Roger.
Now, here in the white room, we have some other pad team members here. Obviously, they're all good friends, having a good time, and now a prayer before they get down to business.
Yeah, we've had a chance to get to know our pad team
CTV
very well.
has departed the pad.
And the CTV
Roger.
is out of the area. And what's really neat is that the Boeing pad team, this is not their day job. They have other jobs in the company, and then today they all get together and help the launch, get the crew inside the Starliner, and get ready for launch.
Now, in the first launch attempt, after this moment, we saw Butch and Sunny sign a mission patch that is off camera right now, but it is to the left of that hatch. You know, again, traditions are so important to us
OSM
here
LC.
at NASA.
OSM, go ahead, sir.
Roger. Please advise the CTV they are clear to proceed to the south fallback.
Roger.
At NASA and with our partners, so taking that opportunity to leave their mark, literally, in the white room there.
Yeah.
And it looks like Sunny's on the phone, Mike.
Yes. I wonder who she's calling, but I'm sure she's wishing somebody, thanking them for their